Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos like a SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI and DAX, as well as integration service, so that you'll get more understanding about different technologies. And now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under: customer, dim geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that, so already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on product key, I have enabled the relationship between dim product and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that a filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship between the dim product and internet sales. We'll try to explore more different options that are available in the relationship in the Power BI desktop. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report design only. Just click on report. So here you can see that we have card visuals, and this is the slicer. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to find the last 4 years sales. I'm trying to find the last 4 years sales. For example, I have sales for 10 years. If customer want to show the last 4 years sales, so in that cases we'll create like this. So current year 2004, 3, 2, 1. So each year wise, what is the sales amount? In 2004, 1.65, and 2003, 1.20, in 2002, 21.67k, and 2000, 3.76k. So likewise, I have designed this card visuals. So even you can slice. So based on the slicer selection, the numbers are getting changed. For example, if you want to find each region wise, in Australia region, so what is the year sales? In 2004 this much, in 2003 2 1. You can select any kind of region, it works. You can select any kind of region, it will work. So I will try to show what kind of expressions I have written to get this under. Go to the demo measures. So click on total sales. Try to zoom it. So now we can see that, so for getting the total sales, I have used the calculate sum x function. So for the max here, so here I'm just giving the what are the year max. In my data set, 2004 is the max year, so that is the reason we can see that max year here. Based on that, it gives the total amount, max year 1. So here I am subtracting, so max year minus 1 means 2004 minus 1, 2003. So like that you will get 2002, 3, something like that. So same thing we'll try to understand also. So here max year, so CY minus 1, 2, 3. So likewise, so based on this, so concatenation, I'm displaying the CY to the current year 2003, 4, something like that. So likewise, I have created these expressions and all. So it works dynamically based on the filters. So it works exactly because we are showing last 4 years sales data. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.